The Public Association of Reserve Officers held a presentation of their project to strengthen public support for the rights of servicemen today. The association head Yaşar Cefer said that the draft is not a grant project and is implemented on a voluntary basis. Without real public support, the decision of certain social issues is impossible, he said. The reserve officer Perviz Hacıyev said that despite the fixation of the status and rights of servicemen in the legislation, in fact these provisions are not respected. For instance, the law stipulates the provision of military people with work after their transfer to the reserve. But in reality, this doesn't happen. In addition, the military people do not receive the status of civil servants, which also diminishes their status to other categories of workers. Another problem is the question of burying dead soldiers. Thus, there is no funeral organized by the state in the way accepted in Turkey. Housing problem of the military were also brought up. Low wages of the servicemen were also noted as a problem, and it was offered to increase threefold the salary in the combat zone. The project's authors reported that by June 20, the appropriate appeal covering all the above-mentioned issues will be submitted to the head of state.